Hey everybody, just want to kind of talk about our 2003 Cobra. I pulled it out of the garage to walk around it and talk about it and stuff. You see my Mach 1 and the Cobra over there. But yeah, we finally got it back from the shop. Had the roof fixed due to some damage. But she's back, she's ready to rock. So let's talk about her. Okay, so under the hood we have the factory blower. We have a 276 pulley. We have a short ram or a cold air intake, however you want to call it, but with a JLT short ram intake and a catback exhaust. And with those power mods, it puts down 470 to the wheels. We added this valve cover breather just for a little added like safety, I guess you could call it. We added these Terminator coil pack covers, Terminator radiator cover. I got this little plaque thing off of the SVT store for like, I think it was like $8, just to brighten up a little bit. Car has the 2010 GT500 wheels on it, and the previous owner painted the calipers in orange, and I really love those. Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates. We have these MRT hood struts, which I really like. 305 tires out back. They are the Toyo R888Rs. Don't know if you can see it that well. A carbon-driven third brake light, because you know, common issues, they always crack or there's LEDs out or whatever, so those were replaced. And previous owner also put on this like aftermarket steering wheel. It's got a racing stripe on it, which I really like. Steering wheel's a little thin for me, but it does just fine. We put a MGW short throw shifter on it, and I want to say that's it. Oh no, it's not. It has a drift chin spoiler and headlights, tinted headlights. And there's probably something else I'm forgetting, but that's pretty much it. You know, she's not a beast or anything, but you know, we love the car for what it is. That's why we wanted to get one. And also complete our little collection here with my Mach 1 and our 97 Cobra that we still haven't taken the cover off of. But we'll get it out eventually. But yeah, I just want to kind of talk about it since COVID-19 is running rampant here. We can't really do a whole lot, but you know, that'll all change pretty soon. Now, I know I can't go nowhere, but this is a Mustang channel, as we all know, and there can't be a Mustang video without some exhaust. Am I right? Let's get it. I'll do a little cheat for you guys. Hey guys, I just want to include this real quick. I actually forgot. Yesterday, I actually was able to go out and go meet my old man over at his job and take the Terminator for a bit. I was going to make a video that day, but it ended up raining, so we couldn't do it. But I went to go meet my buddy Cameron. And Cameron also has a 2003 Sonic Blue Terminator Cobra. His Cobra is awesome, and I want to go for a ride in it so bad. But it makes about 660 to the tire. And he's doing like a drag build on it. So it's got a built solid rear axle in the back. You know, the welds on it. He's got a VMP Gen 1 blower on it, and on E85 and a bunch of other mods. The list is too long. But it's a really sweet car, and you'll see a snippet of him actually in a video that I'll put up. I was in a turn lane and I happened to look over and see him for a minute. But we were gonna go out and like probably do a run, but it was too wet, too dangerous, so we just didn't do it. So it'll be for another time, but it's really cool and I can't wait to put them on the channel. But anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. And like I said, I really, really appreciate it. And hopefully we'll be able to go out and actually do more fun stuff with all my friends and my old man probably. So probably take him to Gapplebee's, you know, the old mock. That's for my people out there. So anyway, see you guys.